In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp link and button on your WordPress website, a process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's functionality by allowing visitors to contact you directly through WhatsApp, or simply want to add a modern touch to your web page design, you'll find this tutorial both straightforward and efficient. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit wordpress.com, which is where you'll be managing and editing your website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. You'll then be presented with several login methods. For this guide, we're using Google. So click on Continue with Google. You'll see a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Just select the one associated with your WordPress account. This is a great time to make sure you're signed in to the correct account, as it ensures you're editing the right website. After you're logged in, head over to the right hand side of your screen where you'll spot a panel marked Quick Links. Look for the Edit Site option and give it a click. This will take you to the main editing interface. Now take your attention to the top left of your screen where you'll see an Add button. Click on it to add a new block to your web page. You'll now want to type in WhatsApp button into the search bar. This search will bring up the specific type of block we're going to use for this tutorial. Once it appears in the search results, just click on WhatsApp button. Now here is where we connect your WhatsApp account. It's essential for enabling the feature that lets website visitors seamlessly contact you through WhatsApp. Follow the prompts to link your WhatsApp account with your WordPress site. Be sure that your WhatsApp account is active and accessible on the device you're using to ensure a smooth integration process. Once connected, the next step is to embed this button on your site. Embedding it is usually as simple as following the on-screen instructions, which typically involves pressing a connect and then embed button. This powerful feature not only encourages user interaction, but also elevates your customer service capabilities by making you more accessible through a widely used messaging app. And that's it, you've successfully added a WhatsApp link and button to your WordPress site. With this new feature, your visitors can now reach you with a single click. It's an excellent way to enhance engagement and streamline communication. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a comment or like to let us know. Happy editing!